The final battle is here. As Muzin's dark empire rises within the Infinity Castle, the Demon Slayer Corps prepares for the deadliest showdown yet. Blood will spill, secrets will shatter, and the legends will be born. Welcome to the Castle arc, where every step is a fight to survive. Have you heard the latest buzz about the Demon Slayer's most anticipated arc yet? The Infinity Castle arc is officially confirmed and it's going to blow your mind. Unportable has already kicked off productions, and accordingly to insider reports, it's not coming as a regular season. Instead, it's being adapted into a massive movie trilogy, something that could completely change the anime movie landscape. Yes, you heard it right. Not just one film, but 3 cinematic masterpieces. Early leaks suggest this could become Unportable most visually stunning and expensive project to date, even surpassing the legendary Mugen Train in scopes and impact. Now let's talk about what's coming inside the story. The Hashira are heading straight into Muzin's terrifying Infinity Castle, a nightmarish, a shifting dimension where the walls defy physics and danger lurks around every corner. Every remaining upper moon demons awaits inside, and the upcoming fights, they are going to be absolutely insane. Fans' favorite battles like Sanemi vs Koshibo, guys unleashing his full power, and the bittersweet fight involving Ubani and Mitsuri. This arc is brutal, emotional, and heart-wrenching. Expect major character deaths, shocking sacrifices, and emotional flashbacks that will leave fans devastated. And Muzin, this time he's done hiding, he's going full demon mode, unleashing a terrifying form we've never seen animated before. The final showdown between him and Tanjiro will test the very limits of the Demon Slayer Corps, and the price of a victory will be steep. And then there's Nezuko. She's not just adorable demon sister anymore, she's about to become the key to humanity's survival. Her transformation flips the entire narration on its head and plays a critical role in the climax. Meanwhile, Tanjiro's journey takes a darker, more painful turn that no one is ready for. Fans should be prepared. Not everyone's making it out alive, and every moment will be charged with emotion. On the production side, leaks also hint a global theatrical release for each film, complete with IMAX screening, exclusively merchandise drops, and fan events that will make this a global anime phenomena. The Infinity Castle arc isn't just another chapter, it's the end game of Kimetsu no Yaiba, the final war between humanity and demons. So get ready, because anime history is about to be made, and this is one journey no fan will want to miss. The Infinity Castle has opened its gate, and the war for humanity's future has begun. Will Tanjiro and his alliances rise or fall in the face of Muzin's wrath? Stick with Screen Explain TV as we break down every epic moment, every heartbreak twist, and every slashing battle. Until next time, stay sharp, stay breathing, and stay tuned.